Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the business setup side of starting a tax prep practice. This is the stuff that a lot of training programs skip, and it matters more than you think. First, your business entity. I strongly recommend forming an LLC. It separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. So if a client ever sues you for an error on the return, the LLC is a layer of protection between that lawsuit and your personal bank account, your home, your car, and your other assets. It also makes you look legitimate to clients. Smith Tax Services LLC carries more weight than just John Smith Tax Repair. To form an LLC, you file with your state's Secretary of State. The filing fee varies by state. In Texas, it's about $300. In many states, it's under $100. You can do it yourself online, or you can have someone handle it for you. Once you've got the LLC, you need an EIN from the IRS. That's your employer identification number. Think of it as a social security number for your business. You apply online at irs.gov, and you get it immediately, free. Takes about 5 minutes. Next, you're going to want to open a business bank account. Go to your bank, bring your LLC formation documents and your EIN, and open a checking account in the business name. From this point forward, all business income goes into it and all business expenses come out of it. Do not mix personal and business funds. It's called commingling, and it never holds up with the IRS. That's how you lose liability protection your LLC provides as well. While you're at it, get a business credit card or debit card tied to that account. It makes tracking expenses much easier come tax time, and yes, you have to do your own taxes too. Finally, get E&O insurance before you prepare your first return. I'll cover that in detail in the next video. This whole process, LLC, EIN, bank account, can be done in about a week or two. It's not complicated, but it is important. Skipping it is just one of those biggest mistakes new preparers typically make. At MuseSpring, we actually help our students set this up as part of the program. It's that important. Learn more at MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and is provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. So if you have a specific legal or tax question, talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.